Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Will. So in this video, we are here in Argentina, and I guess we're starting this video at the pool. We're going to do a tour of what we're doing here in Argentina, what it's like staying here. Honestly, we just got Stockmate t-shirts on, so that's cool. We brought some extra ones for the team as well. So we're going to show you around. Basically, you got like a hangout spot up here. This place has a whole upstairs. Should we go up there? And kind of the reason we went with the place here is because last time we were in a place where it was like really hard to go around the city. And so this place has nice, friendly neighborhood dogs. But it also has like central location. So we could go to basically any restaurant around here, and ocean is literally right there. And we can also visit Tammy's family, who's behind the camera, pretty easily right over there. Let me show you. Tamara, what's up? You can talk, So, again, we're here and we're going to have the team around. So I guess let's just make a real quick run through of the place. And let's go jump on down and see what it's like. So basically, we're going, when I say the team, we have about technically 2.5 of our team members that work at our company work in Argentina. I say 2.5 because Tammy is one of the two, or one of the three. And Tammy's basically in the United States. But let me show you the place. It's not a promotion or anything, but let's jump right in. So I don't think, can we see in the gym? Probably not. Let's see if we could see in the gym. No, can't see in the gym. That's okay. The only thing that's annoying about this place is that you have to have like a key. What if I fell in the water?
I mean, you have to ask for it every time.
You have to ask for a key every time you want to go somewhere. We have some team members here, so we really want to like have a good time with them and connect with them and work with them. Because if we're going to like run our company, then we should have a good team member vibe. So this is the place. There's like nice hallways. Everything's brick and concrete in Argentina. And then you can walk into the apartment. Nice friendly neighborhood dog. So, welcome to my house. Yeah, so this is just a 1-bedroom. Honestly, it's perfect for what we need since we have like gym and everything else. This is like the kitchen. What's going on in the kitchen? It's pretty cool. Our fridge is your fridge. Nice like stove top. I use this thing all the time. In fact, I have some right now. So, cheers. What do people want to see? Like, probably they want to see, this is the workstation. Joe, what are you doing?
Wait. This kind of look good in the background.
So this is the workstation. Tammy works here, basically. And then the next place that we're going to be at, it's a little more premium. It's actually nicer, which we don't normally do that, but we really wanted to like support everything because we used to work out in California. We have like a sauna, we have like ice baths, we have like all this stuff that actually I miss. Like, I'm gonna be real, I actually like that stuff. So since we don't have that stuff, the next place we're going to has all that stuff and an extra room. This is the workstation. Very simple setup. It was actually perfect that I brought this monitor setup because when we are investing and we're trading in the morning, let's say, I can basically do everything that I normally do in the markets. Also, when we brought this setup, I was flying from LAX and we got to work with Robinhood on something, and they actually needed a monitor setup for the ad, so I actually got to use it. So this is the background for most videos actually recently. It's just really convenient. The market opens later. there's natural light there. So if I'm on calls with clients, investors, or our team members, it's like, don't really need much lighting here. And then we have some neighbors that are freaking the cutest cats ever. And they have a ton of cats. I feel like every neighbor here has cats, which is kind of like a little sad, honestly, because we come from a place where we have cats in other places, like outside. But it's cool to see all the kitties. So here's the outside, very simple bed. It's very spacious and comfortable, and it's big-ish, big enough. And then you have this room, and then you got a bathroom. So nice enough bathroom, pretty simple, and it has everything that we need. So that's kind of like the whole place, and there's a really nice location. We're gonna be moving a lot, but honestly, what I wanted to do mostly was make sure that we're in a location where we can like do networking, meet people, and enjoy the city, because we like the city. And also, like I mentioned, we have, like, if we're not working, I've been working on software a lot recently, so there's like 3 things we're doing right now. The first is that like we're investing, so we're actually looking at the markets and doing market study, and that's pretty time consuming. So we do that a lot most of the day, and then a good portion of our day we use with like also our company, so working on the actual taking what we do and automating it and building our AI company with our team a lot. And then outside of that company, we're also, the third thing is that I'm working with like people, clients on the phone and things like that quite often. So that's basically, it's not anything crazy special. You know, we got like a full setup, and we go out to eat probably almost every night, sometimes less, sometimes more, because economically it literally kind of makes sense here. And then we go out to breakfast, and we'll have like cafe, and we go to the gym, and we work most of the day, and Tammy's working here, and I'm working right here, and there's really nothing else. So yeah, I would highly recommend going to Argentina at some point. It's definitely like super chill. When I'm working here at like 1 p.m., it's like nighttime. Everybody's like asleep, I feel like. And this morning I got up at like, I don't know, 5 a.m. or something, 4 or 5 a.m. And I was awake until, or I've been awake till now. But when I got up, basically, it's like you're ahead of America by like many hours. Because normally I'm on the Pacific coast. So for example, like market opens at 6:30, I'll wake up at 6 a.m. on the Pacific coast. If I wake up at 6 a.m. here, it's 2 a.m. So I've been waking up at like 3 well, today I woke up at like 4 a.m. So it just depends. Kind of crazy schedule right now. But anyway, we're here for the next month. Then we're going to another place in Puerto Madero, which is a nice spot in Argentina. And that place is bigger. It's also a little bit nicer. We weren't trying to spend big, but Tammy really wanted to spend on a big place. I'm just kidding. Invest on a big place. No, actually, like, it's very economical, and it's nice to be in Argentina because literally, like, we can sit down, we can work, and I kind of like enjoy going to apartments for a while, or like suites, because when you're in a suite or like a penthouse or anything that's like an apartment type complex, you're not worrying about like feeding animals. You're not worrying about like taking trash out. You're not worrying about like working with landscapers that come to work on the property. Like none of those things matter here. Well, I'm still like talking with the landscapers back in California and stuff, but I'm not like doing it as much. So anyway, those things are the nice part about living in an apartment. So anyway, that's the setup. That's kind of the tour. And hopefully you guys enjoyed smash the like button. And if you want this t-shirt, free t-shirt, for the time being, get a little hair there, let's make it nicer.
And I zoomed in.
There it is. For the time being, you get a free t-shirt when you join Stockmate. So if you'd like a free t-shirt, either Stockmate, or you can grab our AI-powered analytics for the markets. And if you want to get that, you get a free t-shirt as well. Got to plug it because we have the t-shirt. If I earned your thumbs up, hit the like button. Do consider subscribing to the channel, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.